Hi, now I am going to show you how to make a contour map in ArcGIS. Here we can see that these are 5 upazilas of Rajshahi division, Bangladesh. For that, first of all, we need those 5 upazilas assuming as water depth. Here we will work with water depths at different level of those 5 upazilas. After saving it, we have to close the Excel file. Then going to ArcGIS software, first of all we have to add data. Then go to add XY data. Here we will insert that Excel file. Double click, then again click on desktop as it was in our desktop, and this was the Excel file and it was of 2018 water depth. There was longitude and latitude, and the value of x we will take as water depth. Then giving OK, we can see here dots. After that we have to export the data. Going to data, we have to click OK, then yes, and next we have to uncheck that, and we can change the shape of the export output 4 as we want. The color here green can be also changed to other colors. Next, what we have to do is, first, in order to make a contour map, we have to do either IDW or creaking. For that, clicking this option one time, we have to go to Special Analyst tool, then click Interpolation. Then I will do here IDW. Here we have to give the output 4. Export output 4, clicking one time, it will take. Next, in Z values we will give water depth. Then going to environment, we have to click on process extent. In default we have to give, as it was of 5 upazilas, we will click here groundwater depth in feet. Next we have to go to raster analysis, and going down we have to clear this, and on mask we have to give this water depth in feet, which is here. Then clicking OK, we will again give OK and wait for some time. IDW is now in process. IDW has been done. Then click cross, and if we uncheck, here we can see IDW has successfully been proceeded. Next, what we have to do here is do the contour map. For doing the contour map, we have to click on this option, and from here we have to write contour and click enter. Next, you can also click here search. After that we have to click contour special analyst once, and here we have to select the IDW3 which we have done. Next, contour interval I will give 2. Next we have to go to environment and click on process extent. From here default should be changed to IDW shape 3. As we have given earlier IDW, here it will be, first of all we can check once that it will be IDW or water depth. Then click OK. And this has been successfully proceeded. We can see here a nice contour map. From this we can give label feature. As a result it will show the values. We can change the color to something else. For example, I have taken blue so that it can be seen more darker. Then the numbers of contour here are not so much clear, so we need to change the size. For that we have to go to the levels of layer properties and write 20, then apply and OK. The size has increased. But if I give it a less, it will be more clear. 18 is okay. Now I will give here the legend. For that insert and then legend, next, 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 finish. Legend has been successfully created. Now our desired map of contour has been created. We can adjust so that it would look beautiful. This is the map. First of all, we can uncheck this and take a map of this of IDW. Before that we can change the name, because here it is export output 4. And checking this, it just goes away. Here we can write 2018 Actually this shows the upazilas, so we will write here 5 upazilas. 5 upazilas has been named. Now we can take the map. I will name it as 5, and now this is the map of IDW of 5 upazilas. We can enlarge it so that this becomes more visible to us. And next, checking the contour, we will rename it with 2018 groundwater, that is GW level contour for average depth, and this is the name, 2018 GW, that is groundwater level contour for average depth. This has been gone out, that's why we will make it small, or you can also change this to here and take this aside. A little more right, and this is the legend. The legend is complete with 5 Opogelas 2018 groundwater level contour for average depth, and these are the average depths of 2018. This is our scale. This is our scale. Scale is complete. 0, 2.05, 2.005. Make smaller. Okay. Our legend done. And this is the map which we're wanting to make. Then we will export it so that we can print. We will save it in desktop. And finally, we can get the contour map. Thank you everyone.